Of course, for the local government of the Island Garden City of Samal, yun na naman siguro, not only for LGU Samal, but as the other LGUs as well. I think we encourage our bloggers to really be authentic in their creation, in their content creation, so that whatever is there, dapat yun ang pinapakita, hindi na, yeah, for the content, sinasabi mo, we want really the visitor experience to be multisensory, as I said. So, doon na lang tayo mag-focus on the positive. Ay, general naman yan, di ba? Kahit naman hindi lang sa tourism, we want to focus on what is positive. Huwag na nating i-underscore kung ano yung mga negatives. Kasi ang dami na yan. So what the world needs, not only someone, what the world really needs is more positive energy. So let's just focus on that. So yun yung message namin sa mga content creators. Not only for the content creators, but really for those visitors or tourists going to the Island Garden City of Samal. Dami na nating na-spread love, 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 and dive into beauty.